Suck.
Oops.
I tell you, suck. Oh. This is what happens when I do POV. I better get the pro though, because my hand can hold. Oh.
Your hands are probably numb.
Oh, my hands are so numb. I can't even. Yeah, so feel sorry for me. But I'm trying to do my POV here. I just want to show. This is not a Sistine Chapel, but yeah, it's like we got candy, or what do you call this? Thing, the bull, running the bull up there. I don't know that how interesting.
To our left, if you turn and look back.
I said I was on top of this, the steps, in case you did not see it. And I was over there. And now I'm gonna head this way. And this is my POV. That's my story of the.
Getty Villa.
Thank you very much, my beautiful tour guide.
Thanks.
Bill, for
Very
taking the time off,
even if you have to freeze.
rescuing people from the freezing, frigid Pacific Ocean. You have to freeze your butt off. You even have to molest the Venus de Milo statue. So, going to the exit. Watch your steps. Careful. Let's call the guard. We might need some escort, and that way go back to. Oh, we're not supposed to look that way. This way to the bye-bye land. Ooh, very spooky. That's my sound effect, just in case that if you did not pay for the proper license to use. We're just pushing the button. I don't know why I'm recording. Okay, this is it. It's getting little tunnel vision there. Tunnel vision, what's your steps? The Getty Villa, this is the proof that I was here. So don't tell me that being an FOB, not knowing what's going on in America. And damn you, how dare you to tear down the Robert E. Lee statue. I just rode with Mr. Robert E. Lee, or one of his descendants, in the Uber. Brrr, I love that sound. It sounds like something bad is gonna happen. It's very eerie. He's like, oh, somebody's standing behind me. Don't stand behind me because you make me nervous. That's what I said to this kid when I was in the Chinese festival dinner. He keeps sneaking behind me in the dinner. I couldn't understand why. I know, he's stalking me. Like, oh, you're just a little damn kid. Why are you stalking me? All right.